Hey, happy Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. This week is going by quick. About to be the holiday weekend. So a little bit about my day today. I just been vlogging my foods. I've been going outside. I'm kind of getting tired of stuck in the house and working out. I've never been one that like to work out at home. I'm more motivated when I get out of the house to go and work out. But we all know that in a lot of states they close the gyms back down, and just working out from home, I kind of said to myself, I don't want to pay that kind of money just to go to no club or no gym or whatever it is. Like most of the places here charging $150 to $180 a month. Then they far from me, and then I gotta spend hundreds of dollars in gas getting in, getting back home just to take advantage of what I'm paying per month. It's just like, we also have a full gym with weights and everything in our community. So I'm gonna just start, going up there and lifting once they open back up, the gym part. So I just been going to the school when I take my son for football and just running the bleachers and walking around the track. And so today, yesterday I didn't work out. Monday I worked out. Today I went and ran the bleachers, and between each set I did 10 push-ups against the rail, like slanted push-ups. So I did 30 push-ups. And then I did 3 sets of the bleachers, and then I just walked around the track and back to my car. So that put me at about 30 minutes of working out. And it really is working my bottom. So the one thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to keep up with the push-ups and just try to do as many as keep adding on per day, just to get some upper body and arm exercises in without having to do these videos at home. I could kind of do them, at the high school. So that's basically what I've been up to today. So for dinner, I have lamb chops right here, some green beans. I do have an air corn on the cob. I bought from Whole Foods. I believe it's organic. I don't know. Maybe there's summer corn. And then I have a pear that I cut up. So this is what I'm having for dinner. I may have some pistachios afterwards, but I don't know. I'll see how full I am and how quick I get my butt to bed. So anyway, I'll see y'all Thursday. Oh, and I broke my fast. This right here is probably about 1,100 calories. I didn't write down my macros on this. I did break my fast about 8:15 or so with a Tex-Mex omelet, and I already showed that in the video, so it was no need for me to show that again. So with that, and then with my dinner, what I'm eating now, I believe is probably at about a little over 1,100 calories. So yeah, just trying to get my, my calories up, being that, I'm working out at the rate that I am. So yeah, so I'll see y'all Thursday. Peace, be safe, and have a good night or day. So hey, I told y'all I was gonna try to, this is my bootleg get up, y'all, because that sun is in pure force right now. It's 109 degrees outside. The sun is strong, and it's normally at this point, we are at our hottest during the day. So it's 3:55. So yeah, this is my little get up. I do have on a sun visor. I burn very easily, and so yeah, that's why I got my sun visor on, and then just to protect the sides of my face and my lips and nose and stuff like that. I just put this on so the sun won't be beaming directly down on my skin. But I'm gonna try to record a little bit of me running the bleachers, That's what I've been doing, and walking around the track once. That's about as much as I could take in this heat right about now. So I'm gonna get on in here. Hopefully my phone don't overheat, because it did that the first time I had took my phone with me on the track, and it heated up. It was so hot outside that I couldn't really even turn the phone on to do anything until it cooled down. So let's hope that don't happen. So I'll see y'all in a minute.